Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and happy. My dear student, this is your social study class grade 2. I am your teacher Miss Lubna Ashraf with you. Now student, today start reading lesson number 9 time book page number 47 and 48. Unit number 5 time and movement. Lesson number 9 time. Now everyone put your finger on first line and start reading with me. The time from when the sun rises till the sun sets is called a day. What is the meaning of sun rises? When the sun is appear on the sky, and sunset mean when the sun is disappear is called a day. But a full day lasts from midnight of one day to the next midnight of the following day. It means that full day means lasts from midnight. It means 12 o'clock of night start the new day and till midnight of the next day. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Here are some words which tell us about different times of the day. In daily life, we divide our day in different parts like dawn, morning, midday, afternoon, evening, night. Now student, everyone put your finger first picture, dawn. Very early in the morning. Dawn means very early in the morning when we offer Fajr prayer is called a dawn. Morning, the first part of the day is called the morning when we go to the school. Midday or noon, the middle of the day when the sun is directly overhead. Middle of the day when the half day is finished is called a midday when the time is 12 o'clock. Afternoon, the time after the middle of the day. After 12 o'clock start the afternoon. Evening, the end of the day when it begins to get dark. Not completely dark, start the darkness. Oh, what happened here? Where is the sun? We can't see here the sun in last picture because the night time start when it is completely dark. Now start the next page. Time. Do you know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. 7 days in 1 week. 52 weeks in 1 year. 12 months 1 year. Now today everyone learn these terms. The months. Here is a poem. It will help you to remember the months. It will also help you remember the numbers of the day in each month. Now student, everyone learn this poem because this is very important and helpful for us. Because we learn how many months in a year and how many days in each month. Now let's start the poem. 30 days in September, April, June and November. All the rest 31, September, February alone. And that has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. 30 days in how many months have 30 days? 4 months: September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. Other months have 31 days. Except in February alone. Only February alone, because February have only 28 days. And that has 28 days clear, 29 in each leap year. What is a leap year? After every 4 year has leap year. In leap year, February has 29 days, one extra days. Now let's start the last lines. There are 365 days in a year. How many days in a year? 365 days. In a leap year, there is always an extra day. In leap year, one extra day, that is 29th of February. A leap year comes every 4 year. Every 4 year leap year. In leap year, one extra day in month of February, and has 366 days. In leap year, how many days? 366 days. Now student, here is the one interesting information for you. People born on the 29th of February have to celebrate their birthday on the 28th of February or on the 1st of March, because every year in February 28 days, but only in after 4 year leap year has 29 days. Now student, everyone do the reading practice of page number 47, 48 and make its title page. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.